Multiple sclerosis is a disorder where the body's own immune system attacks the myelin coating, which is the protective sheath around nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. Everybody with multiple sclerosis also experiences another condition, which is aging. As people get older, we start to get more progressive accumulation of problems. So even though it's the same disease, the biology underlying it is quite different.
Once I was diagnosed with it, I learned that it wasn't an immediate sentence for disability. Well, my big fear, and maybe the big fear for many MS patients, is not being able to look after yourself, and giving people better prospects is very important.
So in our study, we're looking at changes in the visual system in people with multiple sclerosis, and also changes in brain scans, focusing upon how changes take place in the nerves in the brain, as well as the stuff that helps nerves carry the messages around the body, myelin. And by looking at these changes over time, we hope to see in some people with multiple sclerosis changes that may indicate improvements in myelination or remyelination. We can then allow us to say, at which biological age does remyelination seem more effective?
The Vera Down award allows us to perform additional analysis of samples that are collected from 2 clinical cohorts that we have based in Cambridge. The benefit of doing this is that eventually we can start to unpick how the biology of aging is affecting damage and repair in multiple sclerosis. And the goal would eventually be to develop treatments that work across the lifespan, so not just in younger people, but in older people with MS as well.
I don't know that this research will help me personally as a patient, but I feel very good making some kind of contribution, however small, to MS research, and I feel better for it. So that's probably helpful in terms of my MS.